Cause listen, if space is a big explosion, man, and space, if you have a big explosion in space, then the space, you're a big nerd, man.
Are the explosions in Star Wars possible?
Well, if Star Wars a big explosion is what? What, man? No, man, listen, man. In space, big vacuum, man. You can have an explosion in space, and look at space. Like, no way, man. Hey, man. You can have an explosion in space, man. Space is vacuum, man. You can have an explosion in space. Is it vacuum, man?
But space can't be a total vacuum because the stars are explosion and the sun is a big ball of fire.
You get an explosion in space, but the stars a big ball of space, man. You get a big ball of fire, man. It's stupid.